Hello guys, welcome to Smart Horizon. I am Bhavna Chawla. In this video, we will be learning how to make a pen stand using quilling strips. I need quilling needle, tight coils, Fevicol, and I am having this base of 9 cm in diameter. This is a board covered with colored pastel sheet. For this, we will roll this paper strip tightly with the help of quilling needle and paste the end using Fevicol. So this is my tight coil ready. I already have these coils ready, around 60 of each 4 colors. This is the base. I will put Fevicol around the corners and start sticking the coils in this manner. So now I have this pattern of coils pasted. I'll again put Fevicol and start pasting my second layer. On this green color, I'll paste the pink coils and then the maroon ones and so on. These are the maroon ones. So this is my second layer, as you can see. I will now paste third layer on the top of the second layer. Now on the green coils, I'll paste the pink coils and so on. Now the green ones. So this is my third layer. As you can now see the pattern in which we are pasting the coils. Now we will be adding the fourth layer in the same way. This is my fourth layer. We will now create more 4 layers, that is in total 8 layers of 10 mm strip coils. Now we have completed the 8 layers pasting. After completing all the layers, we will stick stones to decorate it. Here you can use any kind and color of stones that you want. So this is our pen stand ready. Hope you enjoy making it. Thank you. If you like my video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new content. Thank you for watching.